Okay, this is going to be the third video for the C-clamp, which is going to be the little cap piece. I didn't do this in the last video, so we do need to rename this part studio for the screw. So you want to go ahead and rename the part over here on the left column to the screw, and then the part studio, also rename it to the screw. Okay, we're going to start another part studio, and just for the sake of getting that out of the way, you can rename that to the cap. We're going to create a sketch on the top plane. Let's go ahead and view it from that view. And we're creating this, but only half of that profile. So first we're going to just kind of draw a funky shape, and then we'll add some sizes, and then we'll flip it around. Excuse me. So let's start with a construction line first. So click on the origin and just put a random construction line out there like that. Okay, then we're going to do a regular line from the origin. That didn't work out right. Undo that. Try that again. Line. And then we'll go flat. And we'll come down at an angle. And then back to the middle. And return. So that's our funky shape. Now let's look at some measurements. So the top edge of where it's flat is 125 and the whole thing is 375. So this top edge is 0.125, and then from here to here total is 0.375. All right, now we need to know how tall it is up and down on the two ends. However, that's given to us in a diameter, and we're looking for half of that. So half of 687 divided by 2 is 3435. So this dimension right here is 0.3435. And then this little up and down edge over here is supposed to be a diameter 50, so half of that would be 25. Okay, so there's our shape. Let's go ahead and finish that sketch. So the thing we're going to do is called a revolve. So it's between extrude and sweep. It's this one here, and it sort of spins a profile around an axis. So click on that. Click on the profile for what you're going to spin. And then right here where it's in red, it says revolve axis. First click that, change it to blue, and then click on your center line, and it spins around that. So you'll see we get a spin all the way around. Okay. All right, we're going to add two holes on this. The hole on this end, the diameter of 25, goes all the way through the cap. But then when you look at it the other side, there's a diameter of 375, but it only goes 0.125 into the cap. So let's do one at a time. First of all, let's go ahead and create a sketch on this face here. And it will be a circle of diameter 0.125. And, oh, I didn't mean 0.125. Sorry, let me fix that. Just 0.25. And then you can go ahead and finish that sketch, extrude that little hole there, and change it from add to remove, change it from blind to through all, and now you've got that first hole going all the way through. So go ahead and, that was from the left, spin it around to the right, and then we're going to do a new sketch on this right face. Go ahead and do a circle again. That diameter is 375 and it's only going to go in 125. So diameter 0.375. And then finish that sketch. Use your extrude. Make sure you just pick just this one. If it picks another circle, just click it to unpick it. Change it to remove. And the depth is going to go 0.125. Let me make sure I did that right. Yes, 0.125. And so it should only go in a little bit of a notch like that. All right, that's your cap. So come over here and rename your part to cap. And that will be the end of that video. And then we're going to do an assembly.